good? Awa, tanawa. Saan? Try, gi-video call, pero wag uyab. Hey guys, it's Maristikay, ang Mang Ate Kay, and welcome to my channel. This is Vlog na. And for today's video, we will have a compilation of Bisaya memes. So, sa mga sigiglibak nako, unta hatagan mo mayong panglawas o kalit nga kamatayon.
Sa puso lamang makikita ang tunay na yaman.
Crush, uyaban ako. Hawdra ba kay kumagpat ka munggay?
Sabi nila, palang araw darating ang iyong tanging hindi hiling.
Kato akong giampo sa una nga walay klase, karon natingob na gyud.
We got cheers to the wish you were here, but you're not, cause the drinks.
Gitry na ako mag-TikTok ba, pero nganong di man ko kay baw mang laki oy.
Falling in, nothing sure in this world. Don't know, breaking out, breaking in, never knowing what lies ahead.
Hingkaon kog isda ganiha ba? Nabukog noon ko siyang
I
gugma.
can swear, I can joke, I say what's on my mind. If I drink, if I smoke, I keep up with the guys, and you'll see me holding up my mid.
Hadlo ka mag-online seller, kay basig ikaw niya yung tiron. Wamang gani ka pili ah.
Bawat saglit, handang masaktan, kahit di mo alam. Subukang muli.
Dili ko maghikog-hikog oy. Maniguro manggani kog inom og tubig ug matukan ko.
I'm gonna take my horse to the old town road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. I'm gonna take my horse to
Weird kaya akong cellphone, akong i-charge. Pero sa iya ako na fall.
When you love someone, you open up your heart. When you love someone, you make room. If you love
Bantayin yung uyab. Uso ba aron ang ligog ulan, kauban na silingan.
Yeah, the boat, Kyle, in the boat. Hey Charlie, how'd you get that wet?
Crush, ako rat ni. Ang muhubo sa imong brief po.
Now I'm shaking, drinking all this coffee. These last few weeks have been.
Lisod daw itaw ko ang feelings. Mas lisod ning wala tay bugas oy.
Me going psycho. She got me going down, down, down. Got me living on a tightrope. She got me going down, down, down. She got me going.
Boys, kung nangita mo gwapa, nangita man sad mi gwapo. Pahilasay ra gud ta diring napita gud.
Hush now, darling. Don't say you were demons crawling. They eat your soul. I'm not sorry for what will come.
If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, click the notification bell and comment